Hi my toasty buns and welcome back to another video. Today I am also joined by sugar-coated bonbons. We got some items from Devilinspired for you today and we're about to open them. So
we just got it in.
She is a thick package.
She is large.
We got it eventually, hey.
So we ordered matching dresses. It was a pre-order only, I think.
Even though we did the pre-order, Devilinspired has some additional pieces that are available now.
But I'm so worried that how it's gonna fit. It's very nice. So which colorway did you get?
Of course, I have the navy. Oh, I love the little postcard.
Okay. You get your hair bow.
Oh my goodness.
So the hair bow is super cute. It has a little shell on it.
I like that shell thing. That's awesome.
I really do too. It's gonna be a lot of unbagged.
This is a lot of plastic.
Oh, they gave us really cute stickers and postcards. What the heck?
Heck yeah.
That's so cute. Material looks good. It's very shiny. Oh, and it even came with bows too. They really like hooked this up.
I'm a navy themed. I must collect all things navy.
The jellyfish are so cute.
Oh my goodness.
The print is adorable. The only problem, look at that high waist.
Oh my
god.
Yeah, this is
That
like,
is no bust whatsoever. Like, I don't know if you can see.
this is
That's 4 inches of bust room. So this is literally going to be like one of those really, where it like
Really
rests
cinch it
there and then just
oh
flares
gosh.
out. Yeah.
Well, I mean, if we have like a lot of petticoats, I guess we can make it work. But it's just like, what a pain.
I know.
It's like,
kind of worried.
what a waistline.
That is zero waistline, but it has really cute details. It's
Yes,
got
I like this
pearls and moon in the front.
Very neat. And then there's this really cool like silver streaking through the print. So I really like that. It's a shiny streaks.
And I think it also comes with sleeves too. So they have, like, little
Oh, okay. So
sleeves
you've
as well.
got those pieces.
I'm not gonna hate on the fabric. The cut, I'm not super wild about.
Oh, was this an overskirt?
Okay,
I
so
completely
it
forgot
comes
they
with a
came with an overskirt.
cute little overskirt.
Oh,
I like that.
I love it.
And that's gonna go with other things. too.
Exactly.
I love when you can use.
You can use this with coordinate in so many different ways, and use it with other items.
So all in all, not bad. I like it. We'll do a try on later to see what it looks like. This is definitely gonna fit you. I don't know. The sizing said it would fit up to like 110 centimeter bust, but it's like we said, there's no waist on it. It's literally just.
I mean, if we overcompensate with like more poof at the bottom, then maybe the top will look normal. That's my idea, at least.
Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Yes.
So we'll do like detail shots and like maybe a runway walk so you can see what these look like on, if they're worth buying. They were pretty reasonable and the fabric is really nice.
Oh yeah.
I like
Even though the fabric is really nice and shiny on camera, I feel like in person it's a little bit on the scratchier side. And then I had a pet peeve with the bow. The bow top and bottom are 2 different fabrics. Like, what's with this organza and then like the shiny top? I wish it was like consistent. But I did like the pearl charm and the moon charm. I also really like these side streamers that are attached with a button in the back. Very nice, shiny, cute. The head bow gave me a concern. The top part is a lot shorter than the bottom part.
We had one more thing in here, and I wasn't expecting to get this one, but we got the Tomie Junji Ito dress as well. I'm really excited about this one. It was so hard to see the details in the shot, so I kind of just went on the fact that I love Junji Ito, and I'm like, it's gonna be fine. I'm sure it's fine. Holy heck. See that? It's mesh overlay of dead bodies with, oh my god, this is so beautiful. And then it has kind of like a leather cage type thing. I
Oh,
am
interesting.
in
I
love
thought this would
with
be more like a see-through thing, but it's got like some backing, I guess. So it's got a lining that's already black behind it.
I really love the mesh overlay.
Interesting.
Oh my god.
See, there's no way we're gonna be able to show this on the camera, but there's sheer details.
There's sheer details on the
face, on the inside
of the faces. So the quality of this is stellar.
Absolutely.
The front is like this kind of fake zipper bust-line thing. I don't know if it works, so I'm gonna try. I don't think it's gonna
okay.
work.
I thought it was gonna be like the Holy Lantern zipper.
It looks like it might.
It's very. Is it functional?
Need to hold this up. I'm just gonna hold that out so people can see. So it's got like that waist mesh overlay, and then the cage print leather, and there's little like throwing stars on the end of it or something like that.
Oh my gosh.
This is like an amazing like punk Lolita or horror Lolita. We're trying to make
yokai Lolita,
and
that will be a thing. It's
creepy
coming.
K a thing. So Halloween is coming in like 2 months, even less. It's got a pretty good amount of stretch in it. I was a little worried this might not fit me, but the long dress is incredible. I can't wait to put this on. I'm so excited.
It was really cool getting to see the JSK worn. The details were all really neat, from the tomie on the side to the leather cage dress. We ended up cutting a little bit of the cage dress so that way you could see more of the print. The side shadow printing even showed up on camera, so I'm really happy that you guys could kind of see it. It was really neat in person. Also, the belt details were really cool. There's some metal like loops sewn into the belt. Thank you for watching if you made it all the way to the end. Also want to thank Sugar Coated Bonbons for joining me. This has been awesome. I love doing unboxings with her. Hopefully we'll have some more stuff. We do have the other Junji Ito that I ordered coming in. So
we have more Devil-inspired things coming soon. We never know when it's going to come. This was kind of random and it just happened to come in like a week. So if you want to see more unboxings, let her know. Like and subscribe. Tell us things you'd like to see. All in all, I like Devil-inspired. I haven't had any issues with it. What do you think?
far so good, for sure.
Thanks for watching.
All right. Thanks for watching.